Let's begin the show by delving into Pakistan's ongoing economic challenges. The country has been reeling under massive economic woes. Despite the transition to a new government, recent weeks have seen a surge in the prices of essential commodities such as electricity, gas, petrol, food, and clothing, thereby elevating the cost of daily necessities for the populace. The surge in inflation has hit hardest the families of salaried and middle class individuals, making Eid al-Fitr shopping incredibly challenging and leaving many distressed and disheartened. We have a report. 2023 was a tumultuous year for Pakistan. Mass protests, political instability, terrorism, economic crisis, the country saw it all. This year is no different than the previous year, as the nation finds itself entrenched in an economic quagmire while grappling with a surge in militant activity, deepening concerns about its stability following the February 8 general elections. Pakistan's economic crisis continues to worsen as the country struggles to cope with mounting debt, global inflation, and a sustained drop in GDP growth. According to a recent World Bank report, around 10 million individuals are at risk of falling into poverty amid sluggish economic growth and soaring inflation. The international lender is concerned about the South Asian nation's weak economic growth of just 1.8% and the skyrocketing inflation rate of 26% in the current fiscal year. Furthermore, the impact of this economic strain is deeply felt by the populace, with essentials becoming increasingly unaffordable for many. Local voices echo the sentiment of extreme difficulty in purchasing basic items due to exorbitant price hikes, pushing many beyond their buying power.
खरीदारी में तो इस टाइम पे यानी बहुत समझ लें एक्सट्रीम लेवल पे मुश्किलात पेश आ रही हैं, क्योंकि जो चीज़ समझ लें पहले हम 300 रुपए की ले रहे थे, वो इस टाइम पे 800-900 रुपए तक पहुंच गई है। यानी आपकी जो सकत है उससे बहुत बाहर, डबल से भी ट्रिपल रेट हो गए हैं चीज़ों के। अब ये आप थैला देख रहे हैं, ये इतना सा थैला है, ये आप बिलीव करेंगे ये 15,000 से ऊपर का है। ये इतना सा थैला है, ये बच्चों के कपड़े हैं खाली। तो ये महंगाई का हाल है इस टाइम पे, और अभी भी ये कंप्लीट नहीं है, ये हाल हो गया।
Pakistan's inflation did cast a somber tone over Eid festivities too. Eid festivities, traditionally a time of joy and celebration, were marred by subdued spirits this year due to rising prices. Many families found themselves unable to afford customary shopping and feasting. The high cost of essential goods and services strained household budgets, leaving many families unable to afford new clothes, gifts, and special Eid treats.
महंगाई के ऊपर क्या कह सकते हैं, अभी तो कुछ खरीदारी करने के लिए आए थे, लेकिन जैसे रेटें सुन रहे हैं लगता है कि खरीदारी भी नहीं हो पाएगी सही तरीके से। ये लोकल चप्पलें 1500-2000 रुपए की मिल रही हैं, तो 700-800 रुपए की मिला करती थी पहले। खरीदारी तो एक आम बंदे की फ़रोख्त से तो बहुत दूर हो गई है। किस तरीके से करेगा एक आम इंसान खरीदारी? ये तो फिर भी एक 60-65 हज़ार रुपये कमाने वाला बंदा बोल रहा है, जो इससे भी कम कमाते होंगे उनके लिए तो खरीदारी करना एक ख्वाब ही हो जाएगा।
लोग परेशान हैं, इस टाइम हालात बहुत ख़राब है लोगों की महंगाई के हिसाब से जो है हालात बहुत ख़राब है लोगों के, और जो है महंगाई बहुत है मुल्क के अंदर। लोग कोई चीज़ खरीद नहीं पा रहे, हर चीज़ महंगी है, चप्पल से लेके जूता कपड़ा ये वो हर चीज़ महंगी है। तो रमज़ानों में लोगों ने बड़ा मुश्किल हो गया लोगों को गुजारा। इस हिसाब से सदर साहब से मेरी अपील है कि पैसे पेट्रोल पे भी कम करें ताकि आवाम की थोड़ी परेशानी कम हो और ईद पे लोग शॉपिंग कर सकें।
This economic strain not only dampens the festive atmosphere but also exacerbates financial stress for already struggling individuals and communities. Many people are struggling to make ends meet, and the poor and vulnerable are being disproportionately affected. Pakistan is experiencing an ongoing economic crisis as part of the 2022 political unrest, economic crisis, and catastrophic flooding. It has caused severe economic challenges for months, due to which food, gas and oil prices have risen. Moreover, excessive external borrowings by the country over the years raised the spectre of default, causing the currency to fall and making imports more expensive. The ongoing challenges in Pakistan paint a grim picture of the country's future unless urgent measures are taken to reverse the downward spiral.